Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorials, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can start to style some of our text. Now there's something that we can use called text decoration. Now obviously what we can do in certain texts, we can underline them, we can score them out, we can, for some reason some people like to put overlines, so it's exactly like an underline just on the top. And that's that is what I'm going to be showing you in today's tutorial. So what I have here are three paragraphs. One that says this paragraph has an underline, this one has an overline, and this paragraph is scored out. When I save this and reload my page, obviously all I'm going to be getting is three simple paragraphs with no styling associated with it. Once you have linked your style sheet to your HTML, then within the style sheet we can now start to style our text. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to comment out the paragraph with an overline and the paragraph which has been scored out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to be dealing with the selector P, because that's for paragraph, and I'm going to be saying text decoration, because text decoration deals with, quite literally, the decoration of your text. And over here I'm going to be saying underline. End it with a semicolon and close your scope. Save it, refresh your page, and as you can see here it says this paragraph has an underline, and as you can see underneath it is an underline. The second paragraph that I'm going to be dealing with is one which has an overline. So if I were to refresh my page now, it says this paragraph has an overline, however as you can see it's still underlined, which means this needs to be changed, the value of the property. So instead I'm going to write overline. Save this, refresh the page, and as you can see there's an overline over the text. I'm not entirely sure why someone would want to use this, but it can be used, for example, as a separator if you are making a piece of text and you're trying to separate two pieces of text, for example. That could be a potential reason. The final paragraph we're going to be dealing with is one that is going to be scored out. In order to do this, I have now removed the commenting from it, and in the styling of it, and within the paragraph styling, I'm going to be changing the text decoration to line through. So line hyphen or dash through. Save this, refresh your page, and as you can see this paragraph has been scored out. Okay, so someone might want to use this in a scenario where a piece of text was valid at one point, however it's no longer valid. Typically I would just remove the actual paragraph text and replace it with the new valid text, because scoring out can look a bit messy. Okay, so that's really about it. Now I've shown you how we can start to style our text as well. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.